Hi, it's Karen, the Weekend Craftaholic. Thanks for joining me. I've got a special craft haul video for you today. I decided to keep this separate rather than roll it all up end of month because this is a huge order from scrapbook.com. If you saw my 2020 plans, you'll know that I'm trying not to spend this year, and I feel like I've been doing pretty good. I did manage to treat myself. One of the reasons for that is you may know that I'm affiliate with scrapbook.com, so all of my links click through and I get a small commission for any purchases made through those links. So it doesn't cost you anything extra, and I've been an affiliate for them for maybe 2 years, and I got my very first payment. Can you believe it? So you've got to accumulate $100 before you get anything paid out. So it's took 2 years to get to $100, but I'm absolutely grateful for anyone that has made those purchases via my channel, which has then enabled me to buy more crafting supplies with that. So today I want to show you what I've got with the affiliate money that I got sent. It did go over $100. I didn't get all of this for $100. I put a little bit extra towards it, and I got lots of baggings, so let me show you. Now the first thing that I got was this tub, so hopefully you can see it on screen. Now I got inspired to get this, saw Crystal Becker's YouTube channel. She actually got this sent from scrapbook.com because she's on the design team, but I thought this was going to be perfect because look, it's got all of these built-in dividers and these little sections. This is an exclusive, you'll not find this anywhere else, and you see here you don't have to use these dividers, but it's obviously a great way of keeping things upright, especially, you know, you talk about papers and things that fall over quite a lot. So super excited to get this. The other big thing I got was, see if we can fit it on the screen for you, is this We Are Memory Keepers. It's a trim and scoreboard in one. Now it does fold out to 12 by 12 because I do need a bigger size. My Fiskars trimmer is playing up. It's not been working very well for a while, and then in addition to that, my little Fiskars trimmer isn't working at all either. The little guide came off, I've not been able to fix it, and although I do have scoreboards, I don't have 12 by 12 scoreboards, so I thought I would get this kind of 2-in-1 product all at the same time. Of course it comes with the little scoring tool, and so I'm gonna look forward to having that on my desk. I've been wanting one of these for ages. They don't sell these anywhere locally that I've been able to find, so it was great to get it in my online order. Okay, I've got everything else out the box now, and you can probably see I've got heaps of We Are Memory Keepers. I think that was the sale. I think it was a sale on all the We Are Memory Keepers. I also picked up some extra blades for the trimmer whilst I was there, so I'll keep those nice and safe. And I also got some extra tips for my fuse tool as well, so I absolutely love my fuse tool. I thought that would be great. Also got this 3-way punch as well. The punch that I was using, I don't know, I think don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I seem to go through corner punches like no tomorrow. So this is probably the 4th corner puncher that I've purchased. So I'm hoping this is going to last a distance and I don't have to replace it too soon. I also got, take this off, I also got these eyelets as well whilst I was shopping. I think they were only a few dollars each. So that's always great to have some extra colours in those. And I also got a little case for my crocodile, and you see that also came with some eyelets as well. So I thought that would be great to keep it all organised. You know, I like to be organised. If you've not already spied, you'll see I finally got my hands on the Heidi Swapp Memory Decks punch. I kept telling myself I wasn't going to do it, I wasn't going to buy it, I got the dies, but I'm still addicted to memory decks, so I thought it would be worth the investment of getting the punch. The other punch I got was this little thumb notch punch. This was quite cheap as well. And then the last thing I think from We Are Memory Keepers, and again this was I think only about $5. It's a brad setter, but obviously you've got your spiky bit to make your hole, put your brad in, and then this at the back stretches out those 2 little legs of the brad to flatten them down quite easily. So it's got a little cover for the sharp bit as well, so that would be great. And then and then I did actually pick up some embossing files or folders as well. This is a Maggie Holmes one, it's got 2 in here, and I used that on my big shot. I got a heap of, let's try and get this in some order, Oh, I got these snap pockets. These were really cheap, these 6x8s. There's 10 pages in this, but I also got these clear sheets as well for the fuse tool. So I thought these might be great for making my own little pockets as well. So there's 10 in this pack, and I've got all the nice new tips as well. So I'll be having a nice good play with all of that. And if you've not seen these before, this is another exclusive from scrapbook.com. It's a sticker book. I think they've got about 4 of them in total. I think I just ordered the one. You see how many stickers they've got, and you know how much I love stickers. So this is going to be great. Oops. Let me make sure I don't break it. This is going to be great for my happy planner. So I love the fact that it's just the blacks and the whites. You've got some foiling effects in here. Got the little labels. We've of course got the alphas, and if you've been watching my Stash Bits in September, my sticker book, you know the first thing I'm going to do is rip these out and keep these with my alphas rather than in the book itself. I also love the fact that this has got numbers as well as the alphas, which is always great if you're doing Project Life. I've got 2 pages of those, and then we've got some more black, and we've got the uppercase and lowercase in those. So loads of great alphas, and then we've got this nice sheet as well of sentiments that I'm going to put with all my other sentiment stickers. So I thought that was great. That was only about $5. And then of course this is what I've been waiting for, which is Go the Scenic Route and you can see how gorgeous this is. So I've got these little puffy stickers with all of these little sentiments on. Also managed to get the embellishment pack. This is the floral one. As you know, I love my florals. Of course I had to get the thickers as well. Again, they've got numbers, which is great. And let me just undo the paper. So let me just show you these pages. So you can see on both sides. Now I got a couple of sheets of each because I think this is going to be great to cut up, as well as I love having that one as a background. This similarly, I think it's going to be great for fussy cutting out all of these, but of course I also love the background on that as well. Another beautiful one for fussy cutting. Look at that, this is beautiful. The colours are so vibrant. Little 2x2 inch squares, which are going to be great for cutting out. And these are a little bit bigger. Yeah, they're 2x2, and these are probably 2.5 by 2.5. Again, I love the B-sides of these, and then this was the one that I got 2 of. So again, one for fussy cutting, and this side to use as a background for a layout as well. Absolutely love all these mandalas. So that is my Go the Scenic Route little haul. I'm holding out as well to get the 6x8 pad, so I probably won't start dipping into it until I get that, but really happy to get some of those supplies. So as you can see, there was a lot to share. If I'd have put this on my end of month craft haul video, it would be a very long one indeed. So I'm glad that I've split this out, as well as the Uniquely Creative one that I did recently. And yes, that is my scrapbook.com haul. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Have a great crafting weekend, and I'll see you next time.